Supply and demand is not just the highs and lows of price. That is the most common misconception, and it's not. Can supply and demand be at a high and a low? Yes, it can be, but it's not every high and low. And that's resembled right here, right? This is an image I got on Google where this is just mapping out the highs and the low, right? They're saying the supply's down here and the demand's down here. And it does make sense, right? Obviously, if price pushes up and then we drop, obviously supply and sellers took control here. If price pushes up, obviously buyers took control here as well. I agree with that sentiment. I agree with the general thing. But a true zone, a true demand zone and supply zone, which we're going to learn in this whole video and on this PDF, it is different. It is not just the highs and lows. That is first things first. In a valid zone, we must have a strong imbalance, right? So price must move away aggressively. We are not looking for any hesitation. So we are basically looking for basing in a massive move up for demand and then basing in a massive drop down. It doesn't have to be massive, right? But basically we are looking at a real price chart. We are looking for moves like this for demand. We are looking for moves like this for supply, right? We are looking for the basing and those strong moves. That is the first thing that your eye should be going to when learning how to trade supply and demand, right? We are looking for those moves down and those strong moves up. We are not looking for hesitation like this. If you see, this is what I'm talking about. Price pushed down, we pushed above. So people would come in here, the majority of retail traders that are quote unquote trading quote unquote supply and demand, they will say this is demand. Why? Because yeah, I get it, right? Price pushed down, we pushed up. Obviously, buyers took control here. However, there's no strong imbalance here. Did we go up candle after candle, green candle after green candle? Yes, but there's no strong move up here. It is just stair-stepping, very hesitation move up. What we are looking for strong moves up. Here's a great example right here. The basing, and then look at this move up. It is strong. It is not hesitation like we have right here. Look at the difference between this move up and this move up. This is one candle. This is multiple candles that are just steadily going up. Yes, they are green, but they're not great. And then another common misconception, and this is another picture that I pulled up off of Google, is we do not cut through candles when we are mapping out our supply and demand zones.